So guys, I'm out here by the COEX Mall. And I have to tell you, this is completely stunning. So you have the Gangnam style symbol right there.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Have you been to North Korea?
Yeah.
You been there?
No. It's impossible.
Yeah. Sounds good. Thank you so much,
Thank
man.
you.
All right.
Have a nice time.
Thank you. All right. That's the actual mall, as you can see, right there. That's the mall. Just amazing out here, guys. It's so beautiful, and they're still building. You know, they're still building. My driver told me this is the place here. Unfortunately, I don't see a single sign that tells me that I am in fact in the right location. You know, it's just so new and fancy looking out here. And this neighborhood is actually called Gangnam. Okay, after the music video came out, it became internationally known. But the city, just so you know, is called Gangnam. That's the actual name of it.
양화로? Angelinus.
What happened?
Oh no, this is also so far away.
It's far away, right?
Yep.
So I'm fascinated by this, and I want to say, what makes the difference between this area, between South Korea and let's say New York and Paris and other places, is the fact that it's safe out here. You know, you don't have to worry about your life, you know, your phone, anything like that. You know, it's very, very safe. South Koreans are very friendly. I can still do it.
To by walk, and the taxi maybe 5 or 10 minutes.
Oh, that's perfect. You talk to some of them, they're like, you know, they're so respectful, and that's the difference. You know, that's the difference for me. Even as a black person, sometimes you may wonder how South Korean treated me. They treated me great out here. I can't complain.
Okay.
Thank you so much. You know, from Justin, who took me to the DMZ, to all the other ones that I met who did not want to get on camera, I'm very thankful that I had the opportunity to come out here and visit Seoul. So in closings, I love this place. I am glad that I came, kind of like a last minute trip. I didn't plan. I was kind of leaving myself open, but I had a great time. So this structure, it was actually installed in 2016 by the Gangnam district office. And the sculpture imitates the wrist motion of the dynamic horse dance that appears on the music video Gangnam Style. Viewed from the top, the two hands seem to have embracing on the earth. You know, they seem to be embracing earth like that. That's basically the thing. It was released on YouTube on 2012, and it topped the charts from there. You guys are pretty much familiar with that. So this is the Gangnam Style symbol, and this is definite place you want to stop by when you come to Seoul. Amazing. Now let's get inside the mall. So guys, this is a place that's famous for a bookstore. Let me go ahead and take you in there right now. This is a big mall, guys. So there's a place here called the Starfield Library. I wanted to come and take a look. From the moment I planned this trip, I told myself I have to come and take a look at that place. So that's what I'm heading to right now. So I'm taking advantage of that to show you guys just some raw footage of this mall right here. The Starfield Mall. So this is the Starfield Library, and it's one of the most unique libraries in the world. Guys, just look at the books. They're stocked up all around here. Yes, it is. Let's see. The organizer. At this moment, the woman you saw a few seconds ago started screaming hysterically for absolutely no reason. It's by sections too. Whoa, okay. Education of children. You have education of children right there, and then you have different sections right there. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at what kind of books they have. You see? Wow. I don't speak Korean, so it's a little bit different for me, but yeah, they're organized by section. You can basically see what's going on. So now we're gonna enter the grand library itself. Look at that. So some of these books are strictly for display, but they are actual books. I'm mentioning this because there's a library in China and the books are fake. They're literally just like covers. But what's unique about this one is that these are actual books. So it goes around, and then there's like another level to this, all the way around, you know? Everybody's just taking pictures, man. This is a beautiful, beautiful place. Wow. So, how amazing is this? We're heading to the second level. So guys, you've seen it. Amazing show. Everybody come up here just to watch it. Amazing show of light, perfect for kids and stuff around this holiday season. And look at this. There's a lot of people here, but I want to point out it's not loud. Anywhere else, a mall like this with this crowd, I couldn't even hear, I couldn't be recording right now because it would be too much noise. And they are quiet, you know? Just amazing, guys. So let's keep walking around and I'll give you guys more views of this amazing library. It's tough, man, balancing these temperatures. It's really cold outside. Then you put all your cold weather gear and then you are burning hot. Man. So now let's go and explore the rest. Guys, this is 100% one of the most amazing library I've ever seen in my life. It's amazing. Sorry? I know somebody's watching and it's like, man, these are just books, but hey, it's really nice. The architecture, the way they positioned them, the show they did, amazing. And I just love how quiet it was in there, despite how many people were inside. Man, anywhere else, you couldn't even hear yourself talk. People would be like running their mouth so much, you couldn't hear anything. So that was nice. And these sewing machines are real. These are real machines. And they are all different, guys. Look at this. Talking about history, right? And they're all from it looks like the same brand, All Saints. So here we are outside the mall. I hope you've enjoyed the content. It's huge. It's really a big place, you know. It's I could have been in there and filmed for hours, but I wanted to show you guys the main thing. that I came there to see, which was all the collection of the sewing machines in there and the library. The library 100% was worth it. And that arrived right on time when they were doing that show. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if so, kindly subscribe, press that like button. And from Seoul, peace out.